Good morning.
Good morning.
Well, afternoon, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
It is June 24th, Tuesday. And how about you give me an update on where you are?
All right. I just feel like I'm moving slow, just making adjustments. Have the stove a little more secured, vent secured, microwave oven, working on where the countertop is going, how it interfaces with this wall, making sure it's all nice and tight so it doesn't fall apart whenever we're chopping up stuff on a cutting board.
And I can say, in all honesty, I think you are building this back more secure and more stable than it ever was brand new. You really are.
Oh, thanks.
Moving stuff around to make sure it hits the...
But yeah, just trying to make things fit tight and maximize our space as much as I can. Hopefully we'll have some nice storage and things that we can use and work well.
I think so. I think it's going to be wonderful. Or at least I hope so. Hopefully soon.
Hopefully soon.
I'd like to get this at least one road trip with Lupa before she's dead. But anyway, we're getting there.
Yeah.
Okay. My big task yesterday was cleaning up the tent so that we can get around and you can go in if you want to, Lulu. Go ahead. You can check it out. She couldn't get in there before, so she's kind of excited about it being cleaned up too. Yeah, is it cleaned up? Is that nice? All right. And then I also sealed the remaining doors with that seal, which isn't exactly a fun thing to do, but it works. And got the handle on the outside, put the handles on the doors, and attached some of that stuff too. So keep working through it. If you've enjoyed following along on our journey, the planned stops and the unexpected detours, we'd love for you to join us for our further explorations. Hit that subscribe button below and become part of the When Nerds Learn to Fly crew. We've got more adventures in store and we can't wait to share them with you. Thanks for exploring with us. Until next time.